2015 Dodge Dart AGS assembly, active grille shutter right here. You can see it's got these little shutters. They get opened by this little module here. Wiring harness on the bottom. Boom. That's what she looks like. These get easily damaged because these darts sit low to the road. You can see the whole assembly right here. It's all busted up. And this is with the cover off the top. See that cover? Just hooks in with a couple bolts and push pins. And there's only 4 mounting brackets and a wiring harness to that. This pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like some wiring kind of sits in that hole. And let's see if we can get a good look at it and show you guys how to change it. Bumper is off. Time to get our AGS assembly out. You can see it's still held in with 2 bolts, left and right side.
You're gonna have some 10mm bolts in the wheel wells here. There's gonna be another 10 up inside of the wheel well vertical. You've got a bunch of 8mm down here on the bottom. Okay. You're gonna want to go ahead and leave these 2 clips in here. Take this 10mm set out as well, and that holds all this together. So we'll go ahead and get these out, a couple 8mm, and take that harness off the old AGS actuator.
Get the new one bolted in, left and right side.
Yep. Make sure that your grill piece is in good condition. It looks like it's a little messed up. We might have to do a little bit of glue and hope.
All right, that's how you take the bumper off, guys. Say hi, Sammy. The new AGS is in. Bolt, 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 bolt. We did a little bit of plastic repair because it bolts into this grill, and there was a few spots that were weak. Put a little plastic epoxy on it for a temp fix. It's all bolted on, and the original hardware wouldn't fit into the aftermarket hardware. Usually Dorman's pretty good with their products, but they failed us today. These clips that came with it were the wrong size for the original hardware. I don't know if that was a factory mistake or what's going on, but whatever. You got your bottom legs bolted into your bumper, side legs over there. There was a little bit of corrosion in that wiring harness, so we're letting it soak in some cleaner, and then we'll spray it out with electrical cleaner. Bumper's gonna go back on, slide back in, put all your bolts in, hook up your wire, and watch out for those curbs at the gas station so it doesn't get damaged again.